The Gauteng High Court in Pretoria ruled that Jacob Zuma must repay 28,960,774 cents in state-funded legal fees plus interest within 60 days. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the state-funded fees were for Jacob Zuma's legal defense in the corruption trial related to the 1999 arms procurement deal. Specifically, the fees covered costs associated with his defense against charges of fraud, corruption, racketeering, and money laundering. The state paid nearly 29 million for his legal expenses, which Zuma has been ordered to repay. If he fails to do so, the state attorney can initiate asset attachment proceedings, including seizing his presidential pension benefits. The court rejected Zuma's argument that he shouldn't be held liable, citing previous court orders that clearly stated he must repay the funds. Now, Jacob Zuma is one powerful individual where his political party called Umkhonto weSizwe is the third biggest party according to the final election results. And Jacob Zuma, when he was arrested in July 2021, a widespread of looting and violence erupted in South Africa, particularly in the province of KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. The unrest triggered by Zuma's imprisonment for contempt of court after he refused to testify in a corruption inquiry related to his presidency. Now, with that being said, do you foresee Jacob Zuma paying 29 million within 60 days? What are your thoughts? And I also want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Their contributions have made a positive impact. And if you want to support also, you can click on the subscribe link and then be a subscriber. Thank you.